7x5 pre-cut lace closure wear and go wig. All right, it's a pre-cut. They already did the baby hairs.
It's like I can't walk on the sea.
Hair again with Nadula Hair, guys. So here is the box. What we have here today, guys, this is actually 24 inches long as well, and as I said, it's a 7x5. So usually, sometimes, you know, I feel like it's always so nice of them when they pre-customize the whole wig for you, so you really don't have to do anything. The most I'd have to do is if the swoops are too close for me, because sometimes that happen, I can just readjust it. So we're gonna see how it fits my head specifically, but it's already pre-plucked and all that good stuff for you guys. Like, it's a 1B color. And let's get into the construction of the cap itself. So with 7x5 lace closures, they're naturally, like, they have a wider coverage in terms of the lace portion, and I think that's really good. You get, it's very close to almost like a lace front, but it's not a lace front, it's a closure. So that's really nice. So they did add a breathable cap to this wig. I feel like these caps are really nice because they make your scalp feel as if, you know, they're not as confined and you don't feel as hot with them. So I think these are, you know, good caps to use. They added this adjustable elastic band if you need to get it tighter or looser, and also there's a total of 3 combs on the inside for added security. And then they added these portions in the cap, which is kind of like a non-slip vibe. So I think that's really cool. It's a medium brown lace. It's already pre-customized, pre-bleached, all of that, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that yourself. The wig, the hair itself is very full. It's a nice, like, loose curly vibe. I really love that. You guys know curly textures are really like my go-to, so that's really nice. Now let's go ahead and jump into slipping this beauty on. So that's how it looks once I slip it on. Definitely I need to readjust the swoops. They could be a little bit further away from me, and not as long, you know, and so I'm just gonna comb those out first thing. So I need you guys to also know that this is a glueless wig. Yes, it is. So you don't have to, you know, you don't have to be worried about like using adhesive, you know, is it gonna stay? You see all the security that it has on the inside? It's perfect for your glueless install. Of course, if you go ahead and apply adhesive to it, is by choice. So I'm just gonna make the swoops wider. So the little cast that's right here, I'll just go ahead and eliminate that with a little powder. And I just love how natural the hairline looks. It looks so natural. Like, what? The entire thing looks so good. The hair, I love the curls. Like, this is literally an installation in like a minute. The biggest part, like the part that takes the longest, is like if you need to fix a swoop like I just did, or you want to style it and stuff. So all I'm gonna go ahead and do is kind of just make the top portion here a little flatter. So I use some of my flyaway tamer. And that looks good. I love the volume of the wig, all that good stuff. Shedding is very minimal. It's minimal. I'm getting minimal strands. Don't know if you can see that from the hair, from the wig. So bear that in mind. But it's really nice and full. Like, Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. You guys can't tell me nothing. Like, very nice undetectable lace. The lace is really nice and undetectable. You see that? Nadula Hair, they did their thing. They did their thing. Taught the truth. And of course, if you want to go ahead, you can wet this up, but I'm not really going for the wet look right now. It looks really beautiful with the volume. Let me go ahead and give you guys a back view. Really, really nice. I love it. I'm very, very pleased. Let me know how you guys feel about this wig that I applied for today's video. Let me know. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig, the specifications if you're interested in, you know, getting it for yourself. I think Nadula did a great job with construction of this one, and it's definitely trendy, super convenient, like definitely wear and go, slip on and go vibe, no experience needed, very beginner friendly. Install it and it looks like a pro did it. What more could you ask for? Really and truly, it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Yeah, so that's it for today's wig look though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's so nice. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.